Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Rajput, a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today I'm going to talk about positive impact of COVID-19 on the environment. Now the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the shape of history since the end of the Second World War. Not only it affected the people but the environment with it. Lots of people around the world are now forced to live in their homes. They are now doing their jobs or attending classes online. Most people have their businesses shut down, others lose their jobs. Social distancing and face masks have become the new normal. Furthermore, this had a tremendous effect on mental health as well. It's funny how everything has changed in just a matter of months. Given the impact created by the second wave of COVID-19, it's not looking good despite the decline of cases. The one area that has a positive impact because of the COVID was the environment. Before COVID, the climate was the universal issue in India and the world. Rapid industrialization, the growing population, urbanization, pollution, and wars have brought a toll on the environment. Now, the international community has put up a tremendous effort to tackle this issue. However, human nature also doesn't seem to change so soon. For example, in India, air pollution has wreaked havoc on many people, animals, and even the forest. Now, the mere fact is deforestation is just putting some salt on the injuries that could have grave consequences. So here the main question arises, so what has changed? Now, isn't it funny that one virus achieved what the government bodies in charge of the environment couldn't? Like the government bodies were trying to reduce the reduce the pollution from the environment from so many years, and a mere virus did it in few months. Now, government bodies like the National Green Tribunal, Central or State Pollution Control Board, they tried to change the climate, but they failed at it. They attempted to make the masses aware of the devastating effects of COVID-19 to no avail. When the COVID lockdown in India was at its prime, the capital New Delhi had the cleanest air. And before the COVID, Delhi was the victim of smog, toxic gases from the factories, fires, and whatnot. Now, the city had suffered the worst of the air pollution, and that COVID lockdown was able to do that. Because of the COVID lockdown, the city has fresh airs. The pollution level decreased tremendously, which had a great impact on the environment. Now, the same goes for River Ganga, which also had its history of pollution because of funeral and festival ceremonies, and as we all know, people also throw garbages in the river. Now, even National Geographic says that carbon emission has gone down after the rise of COVID. Now, they also warned that if the government does not take any necessary steps, then the decrease will not last long. Thanks to COVID, the carbon footprint had also declined. Now, it is unknown whether the world's sudden change of heart in its environment will last long once the COVID ends, because people will be back to their normal lives. Everybody will be doing the things they used to do earlier. So this is the major concern for the environment right now, and for the government too, because when there is a sudden change of heart, it will arouse more suspicion. But it must be noted that the environment finally got its relaxation. Even though COVID is ruining the lives of many people, it did change the environment for the better. And hopefully less infant terrible of the environment, that is pollution, deforestation and man-made disasters, do not have their erase and betray. Thank you.